It's me Sopranos. In today's video, here we have the new machine because I was repairing, because I said in the last video that in the spin with clothes was so loud, and the problem is that the concrete weight started moving and it hit the top. You can see here, and it's horrible. Here is how there is a lot of dust from the plastic you see here. Good, bad. So I'm putting the like a drain hose, like see this. Is the same of this, but a bit bigger, like classic ones. They aren't like that. So tell me that I'm lucky and I can repair it because it's horrible. It sounds horrible. I found 20 pounds in the drain pump because it wasn't. I can't open, and I, with the screwdriver, pulled it out on 20 cents. And that's all. Now that will be okay, I'm ready for again more washes and use. So guys, goodbye.